So sometimes you put your batteries in a charger and they won't charge, right? It's not catching it. See that one? That's what's supposed to happen. You put them in there, it starts charging. Some of them, they just don't do it. And you can sit here all day kind of like putting them in and out. Maybe if you're lucky they will, but usually they don't. Even you can leave them sitting there and they won't do it. So the trick is take a battery that is charged or is half charged and a paper clip that you've bent around, and then so on the positive end here you're just making another route through, right? So there the circuit's complete, but then you take the other battery just like you were going to charge it there. See, and it now it started, and I take it away and it's still, now it's actually going to charge it, and you can just quick pull the paper clip away. So I don't know, somehow you're like tricking the charger into thinking, sometimes it slides out like that. I don't know, you're just tricking the charger into thinking it's charging this other battery or something. Sometimes it takes a while for it to work. So like this one's not doing it, but it might be because that connection's not quite right, or see, just whatever we were doing got that one to go. There's another one. So, you know, this charger, see, now that one worked right away. So now they're all charging. These are charged up fine. They'll charge up just fine. I've been doing this for years with the same charger and these same batteries.